Caves are among the most mysterious places on Earth, filled with stunning natural formations that took thousands or even millions of years to form. Many caves are decorated with beautiful structures like stalactites and stalagmites that amaze scientists and travelers alike. But how exactly do caves form, and what creates these incredible shapes hanging from the ceilings and rising from the ground? Let's understand this fascinating natural process in a simple and clear way. Most caves form in areas where the ground is made of limestone, a type of rock that dissolves slowly in water. When rain falls from the sky, it absorbs carbon dioxide from the air and soil, turning into a weak acid called carbonic acid. Even though this acid is not strong enough to burn skin, it is powerful enough to slowly dissolve limestone over long periods of time. As rainwater seeps into cracks in the rocks, it begins to widen them little by little. Over thousands or millions of years, these cracks grow larger until they become tunnels, passages, and large hollow spaces underground. This process is known as chemical weathering. Once a cave has formed, water continues to shape the structures inside it. When water-carrying dissolved limestone drips from the ceiling of a cave, something amazing happens. As each drop hangs from the roof, some carbon dioxide escapes into the air, causing the dissolved limestone to turn solid again. This leaves behind a tiny mineral deposit called calcium carbonate. Over many years, these deposits build up slowly to form long icicle-shaped structures called stalactites. An easy way to remember this is stalactites hold tight to the ceiling. At the same time, the dripping water falls to the floor of the cave. When the drops hit the ground, they deposit more calcium carbonate at the spot where they land. This material gradually builds upward to form stalagmites, which grow from the ground. A helpful memory trick is stalagmites grow mightily from the floor. Both stalactites and stalagmites grow extremely slowly, sometimes only a few millimeters every 100 years. That means it may take thousands of years for them to reach a noticeable size. Sometimes stalactites and stalagmites grow long enough to meet in the middle and join together. When this happens, they form a column or pillar, creating a stunning natural sculpture inside the cave. These formations tell scientists a lot about the history of climate in the region, because the layers in the minerals contain tiny traces of past rainfall, temperature, and environmental changes. Not all caves are formed by dissolving limestone. Some caves are created by volcanic activity when flowing lava leaves behind hollow tubes. Others form along coastal cliffs where ocean waves erode the rocks over time. Glaciers can also carve caves in ice by slowly melting from inside. However, limestone caves, also known as karst caves, are the most common and most famous for their amazing formations. Inside many caves, there are also flowstones, draperies, soda straws, and cave pearls, all created in different ways by moving or dripping water. The world's largest known cave formations can be found in places like Carlsbad Caverns in the USA, Škocjan Caves in Slovenia, and the stunning Postojna cave system. These caves attract millions of visitors who want to experience nature's artwork deep beneath the ground. Caves are not just beautiful, they are also important ecosystems. Many unique animals such as bats, blind fish, and special insects live inside caves adapted to life in darkness. Caves also preserve ancient human paintings, fossils, and archaeological treasures, giving us a window into history. Understanding how caves and stalactites form helps us realize how patient and powerful nature is. These formations take so long to grow that human beings must protect and respect them. Even touching them can stop their growth forever because oils on human skin block mineral deposits. That is why scientists and explorers always encourage people to view cave formations without damaging them. In conclusion, caves are natural wonders formed mainly by the slow dissolving of limestone through acidic water. Over many years, dripping water creates amazing mineral structures like stalactites hanging from the ceiling and stalagmites rising from the ground. Together, they create magical underground landscapes shaped by time, patience, and natural chemistry. Standing inside a cave feels like stepping into another world, a world built drop by drop over ages far longer than human history.